Listen, we got another unboxing. And this time, okay, I put my patience hat on, okay. I waited, as you can see, we still got the cardboard here. And this particular item, right, I got into a whole Instagram fight over it. I ain't lying. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends, okay? In order to be friends, because I've been needing some backup sometimes over there on Instagram. I need some backup sometimes, all right? Because sometimes I be tried, okay? So let's be friends. In order to be friends, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and we friends. You know what I'm saying? I got your back, you got my back. We friends. Now, I'm not playing. Oh, I'm not. Okay. All right, fine. True life confessions, okay? I got a little petty bag. I did. I got a little petty bag. I did. I was petty LaBelle that day. I was. However, I ain't stored it. I didn't. I ain't stored that. So, first let me do the unboxing so y'all can understand what I'm talking about. All right, so here is the box. I'm going to open it this way first. I ain't lifting up this box. It's here. All right. So I'm opening up this way. I'm getting on my business out the shop first. Okay. Did it work? Probably not. Child. But here we go. And then let's open. Oh snap. Oh snap. Look at that. Nicely packaged. Why are they so heavy though? That might not be a good sign. I mean, I know what they are. That might not be a good sign that they this heavy. Okay, move, box. All right. So here we go. Here is the box. Y'all, this box is heavy. Okay. So let's get her open, and I'm gonna give you a little hint. Look at this side. Y'all know what that is. All right. So can I just hold on? All right, that's better. Cause listen, my muscles wasn't having it. I can't. Nope, I can't slide that off. So I'm gonna just do all this. See, now when I try to do stuff the right way, it want to act up. I'm just sliding it off. All right, here we go. Slide that off. I really hope it look like it did in the pictures. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say until I show y'all the shoes. Because you know how sometimes, you know, it don't look like. Now, not when I held my breath. Like, I didn't know when I slid this box open, they was gonna be in 2 dust bags. Like, what was I expecting to see? Like, why is you holding your breath, Rakita? Like, what? Okay, okay. All right, let me get this part of the box. They need some oil on this box. That was way too hard. Oh, I got a little peek because they ain't closed the drawstrings. All right. Move, box. All right, I'm gonna have my shoe strip for y'all. Oh no, I don't know what's wrong with me. I really don't. But listen, as you can see, they are shoes. All right, I got that footwork. I got that foot. All right. I'm gonna do a little show. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, it's too much. It's too much already. It's too much already. But listen. Oh, child. This look like this is the footwear to an astronaut suit. Okay, a very fashionable one, honey. Okay, a very fashionable astronaut suit. Okay, All right, from a stylist that know how to style, honey. However, this is still a big shoe. All right, this is a big shoe. Oh, let me get the other one out. Let me get the other one out. Woo! Oh, they are cute. They are cute. Look at this. All right, so these are the newly. Why I was about to say renovated? Like why? Like why? Right? No, that's not the word, Rakita. The newly redesigned, or maybe designed, because I don't think they're getting rid of the old design or the first design. Okay, so the newly designed Archlight. Oh my God, they are so plus side. They are like how I imagined. They are heavy. They are heavy, like what, like 1, 2, like get your push-ups in. By just hold, they are heavy. However, well, I was about to say you don't know how heavy they're gonna be when you're walking, but child, if they heavy in your hand, they're gonna be heavy on your feet. So, surprisingly, in a great way, they are not as heavy as I thought they were. Like in the box, taking it out the box, and then holding it up in the box, and then holding the actual sneakers in my hand. They is my ankles ashy? Yep. Yes they are. Yes they is. Yes they is. Oh man, okay, I ain't gonna do nothing about it though. But they are not heavy. Now granted, I'm just standing here doing a two-step and everything. So keep that in mind. And also, even though they're not as heavy as I thought off of first impressions, like I said, I still would not walk, I would not walk 1,000 miles in these sneakers. But they are comfortable on the feet, and they do seem like you can get a couple miles. You can get a couple miles in them. But I like them. First impressions, very, very, very nice. Very nice. Now, they still big. Okay, they still big, still look like it's part of an astronaut suit. However, to me, in my humble's opinion, all right, they are stylish, and I think they're super cute on my ashy ankles. But I also, first of all, at this price point, at this price point, and also with them being white, like where am I going? Like where am I going where I'm doing calf push-ups? Nowhere, okay? To the core, to the place that I'm trying to show out, and back to the core. So I don't even care if they heavy, cause like who hiking in these? Okay? Who running a marathon in these? Not I said the cat. She will not be, okay? So do I care if that? Now that's just me personally. If you one of them that like to treat your luxury shoes like they Nikes, hey, okay, I'm happy for you, but please don't tag me in. I do not subscribe to that. But I gotta tell y'all how I was in an Instagram tussle. Okay. So I had pre-ordered these shoes. I had saw them in like a khaki green color. I saw them in some lace, honey. Okay, I saw them in what I think is all the styles, right? So y'all know me, I think I'm cool until somebody tap me on the shoulder and be like, no ma'am, you're not. So let me just go ahead and get the plain white pair. But I wanted to see them styled because, like I said, they big. Okay, they pass dad sandals. They like Chewbacca size shoes, right? Like Chewbacca was in the design room. Okay, so I wanted to make sure it was realistic, right? Cause I love me a big shoe. I do. I love me a big shoe. But your girl is also 5'9". Okay. I ain't trying to look like I just signed up for NASA either. Okay. So I had to make it make sense on a body. Okay. So with all that said and done, so I went to Louis Vuitton's Instagram, right? And I think I saw it on Foxy LV's page, right? So I'm not sure whether I was tussling on the Louis Vuitton page or on Fox's page. However, I was tussling because one of my pet peeves was coming to life, and it was coming to life on a shoe that I had already ordered. So I took it a little personal. I did. If I could find that thread, I'll show y'all. But I did. So, you know, I was seeing it was ugly. Oh, it's big. Who's the size? You know, the typical, you know, LV customers 2 cents. Okay. And I did a video of that. If y'all have not seen that, I will link it up here. But, you know, I'm used to it, you know. But also, like I said, I had just come off the cusp, okay, of swiping my cord. Okay, it wasn't swiped. It was more like a call-in, okay. However, I just spent that money. It's the point that I'm trying to make. So I was a little bit in my feelings, and this one particular customer, shall we say, okay, I just think she went a little too hard. She went a little too hard in. So I just told her she was being rude and not being a little sarcastic. You know, whatever. All right, not my finest moment. But in my mind about it, not really. Not really. Sometimes you just gotta let people know, ma'am, sir, you being rude. Say that. Log off and say that. But anyway, so now that I see them in person, I was right, they cute, you know. But I do understand they're not, everybody's cute. You know what I mean? Like, I know they're not going to fit everyone's aesthetic, how they look, their style, which is cool. You know what I mean? And I don't expect it to. Like, y'all already know how I feel. Everybody ain't going to like everything, and that's okay. Okay? I just crossed the line with rudeness. But I think this was, how much I paid for these? Child, that's important, huh? They ain't put my receipt in the box. I don't even know why I went to go look for it, because no better. They stopped putting receipts in boxes a long time ago. But anyway, if I can find the receipt, or I will put the price of it on the screen. But I like them. I do. So tell me what y'all think of them. You know, like, I know I just said mind your business, but don't mind your business. Don't mind your business. I'm asking, okay? Let me know what y'all think about these. Also, if I can find like the other styles, the other colors, I will go ahead and show those to you guys as well. But so far, I like them. If you guys want to update on the wear and tear, how heavy they really are, let me know. I will let y'all know. But let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my unboxing of the new Louis Vuitton Archlight sneakers. Let me know what you think. For real. For real. Like, for real. I ain't gonna get in my feelings. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it's something you are considering, or if you're like, no ma'am, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. My toes and my foot gonna be strong as hell buying them sneakers because they look heavy. So let me know what you think. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and subscribe. Why am I yelling at y'all? But go ahead and subscribe, and then also follow me on all social media. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, like to know it, at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.